In mathematics, an identity element or neutral element is a special type of element of a set with respect to a binary operation on that set. It leaves other elements unchanged when combined with them. This is used for groups and related concepts. The term identity element is often shortened to identity when there is no possibility of confusion. Let be a set S with a binary operation on it. Then an element E of S is called a left identity if EA equals A for all or in S, and a right identity if HE equals A for all or in S. If E is both a left identity and a right identity, then it is called a two-sided identity, or simply an identity. An identity with respect to addition is called an additive identity, and an identity with respect to multiplication is called a multiplicative identity. The distinction is used most often for sets that support both binary operations, such as rings. The multiplicative identity is often called the unit in the latter context, where, though, a unit is often used in a broader sense, to mean an element with a multiplicative inverse. Examples. Properties. As the last example shows, it is possible for to have several left identities. In fact, every element can be a left identity. Similarly, there can be several right identities. But if there is both a right identity and a left identity, then they are equal and there is just a single two-sided identity. To see this, note that if L is a left identity and R is a right identity, then L equals L, R equals R. In particular, there can never be more than one two-sided identity. If there were two, E and F, then EF would have to be equal to both E and F. It is also quite possible for to have no identity element. A common example of this is the cross product of vectors. In this case, the absence of an identity element is related to the fact that the direction of any non-zero cross product is always orthogonal to any element multiplied, so that it is not possible to obtain a non-zero vector in the same direction as the original. Another example would be the additive semigroup of positive natural numbers.